I have a secret to tell you. Shh, come closer. There is a set of muscles that control the strength of your erection. No, not those muscles. These muscles are deep inside your body. I'm going to tell you how to make them strong. Because when these muscles are weak, your erections are weak. And when they're strong, your erection is strong. So let's start strengthening them right now. Sit up straight. Imagine you're trying to stop the flow of urine. Contract those muscles and hold that for 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now release. That is the muscle that you need to train. And that is where stronger erections will come from. Now, what you did, that was just the beginner exercise. And yes, it will help you. But the full exercise goes a lot deeper. This is covered extensively in my complete program. Listen, I know what you're going through because I went through it too. And I know that you can conquer this because I did. Let me show you how. The full exercise routine is in my program. It's in the description below. Click on it and I'll walk you through the rest. And I'll be there waiting for you.